Good morning, students.
In previous video, I explained equation for the kinetic energy. Now, I will explain worksheet key. Worksheet key. In the first one, calculate the kinetic energy of a body of mass 2 kg moving with a velocity of 0.1 meter per second. 0.1 meter per second. So your mass is given that equal to 2 kg and the velocity is given v equal to 0.1 meter per second. 0.1 meter per second. Then here kinetic energy K equal to half into m into v square. Half into m into v square. It is the equation for the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy means the energy possessed by a body by which of its motion is called kinetic energy. So your kinetic energy equation equal to half into m into v square. Now 2 in half into mass is given that equal to 2 into v 0.1 whole square. 0.1 whole square that equal to 2 to 8 cancel 0.1 whole square. That means here 0.1 into 0.1 that equal to 0.01 joules. So we can write 10 power 2 joules, 10 power minus 2 joules. Okay, 0.01 or 10 power minus 2 joules. 10 power minus 2 joules. Okay, option number B is the answer. B is the answer. Next one. Yes, velocity is given, or speed is given here. V equal to 2.2 meter per second. Next, linear density is given. So here linear density is equal to 0.2 kg per meter. Okay, next one, height is given, height equal to 20 meters. 20 meters. Then find the kinetic energy. Here kinetic energy is nothing but work done equal to how much? So here linear density equal to is equal to mass by height or length. Mass by length. So here mass by length is nothing but here h that equal to 20 meters. Okay, Mama. So linear density how much? 0.2 is equal to m by 20. Therefore m equal to, I'm doing transfer here, 20 into 0.2 that equal to 4 kg. So from this linear density and height or length is given. From these two values we will get mass value. So linear density equal to mass by length. So m equal to here, I am doing transfer here 0.2 into 20 that equal to 4 kg. Now we will find Ke value. So K equal to half into m into v square. So half m equal to here 4 into velocity that equal to 2.2 whole square. Okay, so once here 2 into 2.2 into 2.2 whole square. 2.2 whole square. Okay, that is equal to 2 into 484. That is equal to 9.68 joules. It is the work done or nothing but the kinetic energy. Okay, listen once again. Here linear density, and the length is given. From this two we will get mass value, because of kinetic energy equal to half into m into v square. Okay, so here v equal to 2.2 meter per second, linear density equal to 0.2 kg per meter, and the length or height equal to 20 meters. Then find the kinetic energy. To find the kinetic energy, we require mass and velocity. But here velocity is given, mass we can find from a linear density. So linear density equal to mass by length. So mass equal to a linear density into length. Mass equal to here linear density into length. So here 0.2 equal to m by 20. Mass equal to 20 into 0.2, that equal to 4 kg. So k equal to half into m into v square. So half into 4 into 2.2 whole square. To 1 here to 2 into 4.84, that equal to 9.68 joules. Option number C. Second one, option number C is the answer. C is the answer. Next, third one. Third one. A moving body of mass equal to 10 kg as 20 joules of kinetic energy. Calculate the speed. Speed means nothing but velocity here. Third one. Mass equal to 10 kg and the kinetic energy k equal to 20 joules. Calculate the speed equal to how much? So we know that k equal to half into m into v square. Half into m into v square. So here m v square is equal to 2 kg. Okay. So here v equal to root of 2 kg by m. It is the velocity. So v equal to root of 2 kg by m. Okay, so v equal to root of 2 into kinetic energy. So k equal to how much? 20 by mass. Mass equal to 10. Mass equal to 10. Listen. So here v square equal to 2 kg by m. V equal to root of 2 kg by m. V equal to here. V equal to how much? Root kg by m. V equal to root kg by m. V equal to much? Root of 2 kg by m, that is equal to 2 into k 20 by mass 10. Okay, 0 0 get cancel. Root 4, that is equal to 2 meter per second. So velocity equal to 2 meter per second. Option number B. B is the answer. Okay, next one. Vehicle is moving with a velocity of 80 km per hour. Calculate the kinetic energy if the mass of the vehicle is 1000 kg. Mass of the vehicle is 1000 kg. So question number 4. So here velocity given kilometer per hour, the value change into meter per second. Fourth one, okay, v equal to 80 kilometer per hour. This value change into meter per second. So 80 into, we know that 1 kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer per hour equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. In the place of kilometer per hour, we can substitute 5 by 80. So here v equal to 80 into 5 by 18. 5 by 18. So here 2 table, 2 9, 240. That equal to 200 by 9. It is velocity of the body. Velocity of the body equal to 200 meter per second. 200 meter per second. Now k equal to half into m into v square. So half into, but mass is given. Mass equal to 1000 kg. Mass equal to 1000 kg. So half into 1000 into 200 by 9 whole square. 200 by 9 whole square. So here 2 ones here to 500 to 500. So 200 into 200. Okay, here v equal to half into v square. So mass equal to 1000, half into 2 ones here to 500. So that equals this total value 24 68 64.2 joules. So it is the kinetic energy. This total value. So option number B, fourth one, B is the answer. Fourth one, B is the answer. Okay. Next one, fifth one. A body of mass equal to 0.1 kg. A body of mass equal to 0.1 kg is falling from a height of 10 meters at g equal to 10 meter per second square. So then find the kinetic energy. It is a free falling body. In the case of free falling body, initial velocity equal to 0. You know already. So u equal to 0. Here height is given. Height equal to 10 meters. Then find the final velocity. Here g equal to 10 meter per second square. From third equation of motion, v square minus v square equal to 2gh. Okay, so here v square, our aim is to find the final velocity of the body. So 0 equal to 2 into g, 10, height also 10. So v square equal to 200. V square equal to 200. So here v equal to root of 200. That equal to 10 into root 2. 10 into root 2. So it is final velocity of the body. Okay. Now k equal to half into m into v square. So mass equal to here 0.1 kg. 0.1 kg. So here k equal to half into 0.1 into v square. That equal to 10 into root 2 whole square. Okay. So here half into 0.1 into 10 square, that is 100. Root 2 square, that equal to 2. So here 2 get cancelled. 100 into 0.1, that equal to 10 joules. 10 joules. So option number D. Listen once again. It is a free falling body. In the case of free falling body, initial mass of the body equal to 0. Okay. Next, height is given. It is falling from the 10 meters. Here, acceleration due to gravity A equal to plus A. In the case of free falling body, that is equal to 10 meter per second square. From V square minus V square equal to 2gh, because of your A equal to G, S equal to H. Okay. V square initial mass of the body equal to 0 equal to 2 into G 10, height equal to 10. 20 into 10, 200. V square equal to 200. We can write V equal to root 200, that equal to 10 into root 2 meter per second. So from this we can find kinetic energy. So K equal to half into M into V square. Mass equal to 0.1 kg. K equal to half into 0.1 into 10 root 2 whole square. That equal to half into 0.1 into 100 into 2. That equal to 10 joules. So kinetic energy of the body equal to 10 joules. Option number D. Okay. Next, sixth one. Sixth one. How fast should be man of mass 50 kg run so that its kinetic energy equal to 625 joules. So here mass is given, that is equal to 50 kg, and K kinetic energy is given, that is equal to 625 joules. 625 joules. Then find the velocity. V equal to how much? So here K equal to half into M into V square. K equal to half into M into V square. So here 2K equal to M into V square. So here V square is equal to 2K by M. Therefore V equal to root of 2K by M. V equal to root of, so here V square equal to root K by M. Therefore V equal to root of 2K by M. So here 2 into K equal to 625 by mass 50. Mass 50. 2 ones here, 2 25s. 25 ones here, 25 25s. That is equal to V equal to root 25. That is equal to 5 meter per second. Velocity of the man is how much? 5 meter per second. So option number B. B is the answer. When mass and mass of the body are double, what happens with kinetic energy? So here mass equal to 2m, for example. Seventh one, for example, m equal to here 2m, and here velocity equal to 2v. Then find k. So k equal to half into m into v square. So here half m equal to here 2m into velocity 2v whole square. That equal to half into 2m into 4v square. 4v square. So here 2 into 4, 8. So half into mv square into 8. This total value equal to how much here? Kinetic energy. So half into m into v square equal to k. That into 8. So okay. So we can write here 8 into half into m into v square. So here k equal to 8 into k. So k1 equal to here 8 kg means here compared to initial position meter 8 times the initial, 8 times the initial. Okay, mass and velocity increased by 2 times, then kinetic energy increased 8 times. Kinetic energy increased 8 times. Okay, ma. Next one. So option number 7th one, option number D. Okay, now eighth one, two bodies of masses. First body mass equal to m1, next body mass equal to m2, moving with equal momentum. What is the ratio of their kinetic energy? So we know already the relation between kinetic energy and momentum. K equal to p square by 2m. So relation between kinetic energy and momentum. So K equal to p square by 2m is the relation between kinetic energy and momentum. Or yes, P equal to 2 K into m. It is the relation between kinetic energy and momentum. So here mass equal to, so here K1 equal to P1 square by 2m1 and K2 equal to P2 square by 2m. So it is equation number 1, it is equation number 2. Okay, because of here two bodies, first body kinetic energy K1, second body kinetic energy equal to K2. But here what is the given condition here? Momentum is equal. Momentum is equal. From this we can write P1 equal to root of K1 into M1. Okay, next P2 equal to root of 2K2 by M2. Okay, what is the given condition here? P1 momentum 1 equal to momentum both are equal. So momentum 1 and momentum 2 are equal. So these two are equal. Equation number 1 and 2 are equal. So here 2K1 M1 is equal to the root of 2 K to M2. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides means here root get cancelled. Root get cancelled. Squaring on both sides root get cancelled, that equal to 2K1 M1 is equal to 2K to M2. So here 2 get cancelled. Our aim is to find the ratio between kinetic energy 1 and kinetic energy 2. So K1 into M1 is equal to the K2 into M2. So here K1 by K2 is equal to M2 by M1. So here M2 by M1. K1 is to K2 equal to M2 is to M1. It is the ratio between kinetic energy 1 and kinetic energy 2. So here B is the answer. B is the answer. Listen once again. Here two bodies of masses M1 and M2 is given. Then find the moment, at the same time momentum is equal. The two bodies of momentum is equal. So relation between moment and kinetic energy K equal to P square by 2m. The above equation we can write like this also. P equal to root of 2k into mass. So here two bodies are first body kinetic energy and moment relation is equal to K1 equal to P1 square by 2m1. The same time K2 equal to P2 square by 2m2. So here K1 equal to P1 equal to root of 2k1 into m1 and p2 equal to so root of 2k into m2. So it is equation number 1 and equation number 2. So given data is momentum is equal here. Momentum is equal. That means equation number 1 is equal to the equation number 2. That means here equation number 1 equal to root of 2k1 m1 equal to root of 2k into m2. Now you are squaring on both sides. Okay, then root get cancelled. Remaining value 2k1 into m1 equal to 2 into k2 into m2. So here 2 to get cancelled. Remaining value k1 into m1 equal to k2 into m2. Our aim is to find the ratio between kinetic energy 1 and kinetic energy 2. So here k1 by k2 equal to m2 by m1. Therefore k1 is to k2 equal to m2 is to m1. So option number B is the answer. Option number B is the answer. Now ninth one. Okay, next. When the momentum of a body is double, how does the kinetic energy changes? How does the kinetic energy changes? Momentum of a body is double. Okay. First body momentum. Ninth one. So here relation between kinetic energy and momentum K equal to P square by 2m or P equal to root of 2m k. It is a relation between kinetic energy and momentum. Now, in second, for example, it is P1, it is K1. Okay. Now, momentum is double. Momentum is double. So here momentum P equal to 2p. P equal to 2p. So that equal to 2p2. So here K2 equal to 2p2 whole square by 2m. Okay. Now momentum increase by 2 times means double as 2p2. So here K2 equal to 2p2 whole square by 2m. So here K2 equal to 4 P2 square by 2m. Okay. Now here P2 square 4 P2 square equal to 2m K2. Okay. So here P2 square equal to 2m K2 by 4. Therefore P2 equal to so find the relation between kinetic and momentum here. So from this we can write 4 into P2 square by 2m. So here we can write 4 into P2 by 2m means nothing but K1. So it is equal to K1. So here P2 square by 2m equal to Ke1. Okay. So P2 equal to 2p. If increase by 2 times. So here P square by 2m equal to 2ke1. Okay, this total value is equal to the ke1. This total value equal to P square by 2m. Here P square by 2m equal to much here ke1. So here 4 into ke1. It is ke2 equal to 4 into ke1. Listen once again. Listen. So ke1 equal to P square by 2m. And it is equal to ke1. K1 equal to P square by 2m. So P1 equal to we can add 2 into m into ke1. So here P2 equal to next time momentum is increased by 2 times here. So here P2 next to momentum equal to P2, that equal to 2p. Okay. So K2 equal to here P square by 2m, but here P equal to how much here 2p whole square by 2m, that equal to 4p square by 2m. 4p square by 2m. Now we can write 4 into p square by 2m. We can write 4 into p square by 2m. This total value equal to how much? ke1. P square by 2m equal to how much? ke1. So here 4 into ke1. 4 into ke1. When a momentum of body is leveled, how much kinetic energy changes? How many times here? K2 equal to 4 ke1. So option number D is the answer. Option number D is the answer. Okay. So it is the process. Next 10th one. 10th one. Find the momentum of a body of mass 100 grams having its kinetic energy equal to 20 joules. So mass equal to 100 grams is given. Mass equal to here 100 grams. Okay, 10th one. Find the momentum of a body of mass here 100 grams is given. That is 1000 grams of mass equal to 1000 grams, not 100 grams. 1000 grams, that equal to 1 kg. Mass equal to here 1 kg. K equal to how much? 20 joules. K equal to 20 joules. Then find the momentum. P equal to how much? Then find the momentum. So here mass is given, kinetic energy is given. From this we can find V value, velocity. So here K equal to half into m into v square. K equal to half into m into v square. So v square equal to 2ke by m. 2 into k, that equal to 20 by 1. I think mass is equal to, mass is given 100 grams of mass. That equal to 0.1 kg. 0.1 kg. Okay. So here mass equal to, kinetic energy equal to 2 into kinetic energy, that is 20 by 0.1. So 2 into 20, 40 by 0.1, that equal to 4. V square equal to 4. V equal to 2 meter per seconds. V equal to 2 meter per seconds. Then momentum equal to P equal to m into v. Product of mass and velocity equal to momentum. So mass equal to 0.1 into velocity 2 meter per second, that equal to 0.2 kg meter per second. So momentum equal to 0.2 kg meter per second. 0.2 kg meter per seconds. Okay, listen once again. Mass equal to 100 grams, that is equal to 0.1 kg. So kinetic energy is given, that is equal to 20 joules. Then find the momentum, P equal to how much? So mass is given, kinetic energy is given. To find the momentum, we require velocity, because the product of mass and velocity is called momentum. So that's why K equal to into mv square. From this relation, we can find velocity. So here v square equal to 2 into Ke by m. So here 2 into kinetic energy 20 by 0.1. So 2 into 20 40 by 0.1, that is equal to 4. V equal to 2 meter per seconds. V equal to 2 meter per seconds. So here momentum equal to mass into velocity, that is equal to 0.1 into 2, that is equal to 0.2 kg meter per seconds. Momentum equal to 0.2 kg meter per seconds. Okay, ma. Thank you. Remaining problems I will explain the next video. Okay. Thank you.